Hello guys, and welcome to another seed on Minecraft. And I don't think I've seen this on YouTube actually. But to begin, I put Garmel in. No capitals. And sorry guys, I know my other seed video was fences. Here you go, Garmel. And it does actually give you a blacksmith. I'll put it on creative. It gives you a blacksmith. I'm not going to tell you what's in it because it would ruin the surprise. Lol. This seed is really good. It does have good things in it. And please like and subscribe. This channel is new. Hopefully we can do this. Whilst loading, as you know, my previous video, Seed for Blacksmith Fences, as I have already said, it has been, well, it did go down okay, and I mean okay. Now, if I just fly here, village there. Now, as you can see there in the distance, a blacksmith. As you can see, that is quite a good blacksmith. Look, you get iron pick, iron boots, bread, a diamond, gold, apple, and a helmet. Now, I think that's quite good, to be honest. From now on, guys, when I do this, I am going to burn the things in lava. Now it seems a bit stupid, but I don't really care about stuff, to be honest. I know people think I'm crazy, but that was the video today, guys. Like I said earlier, please like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.